Bienvenidos a Puerto Rico. Beautiful colors, beautiful people, beautiful food. What would you say are the staples here?
People will tell you rice and beans, but rice and beans don't grow in the island. So we need a new Puerto Rican cuisine that goes beyond rice and beans.
In other words, indigenous.
Our chefs today are autor de cocina Ventura Vivoni Rivera.
There's mango like crazy.
Everywhere.
Mango gazpacho, mango marmalade, mango
Mango ice
ceviche,
cream,
mango
sorbet.
ice cream.
And New York transplant,
New Eureka, we call it.
Eureka, Chef Kevin Roth.
We want to season it pretty liberally. What that does is when we put that on top of that hot fire, it helps to caramelize and make a nice crispy skin.
We're sourcing red snapper, mahi-mahi, and kingfish at the local fish market.
Look at this beauty.
Is this passion fruit?
Yes, that's passion fruit.
Picking most of our fruits and veggies right off the ground.
Watch out for falling mamey. And generally, take life easy, or as the Puerto Ricans say.
Something is very easy. We call it, oh, that's a mamey.
Well, let's hope tonight's dinner is a mamey.
Salud!
Next on Banqueta Móvil, or Movable Feast with Fine Cooking Magazine.